We are pleased to show you the 2017 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, FWD, tires, rear performance, smart device integration, keyless entry. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.